Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Manitoba Harvest hemp parts. These are on sale, so take a look there. It's 10 grams of protein. You got some omegas in there. So basically what they are, they're just hemp seeds, okay? So take a look at the ingredients. Just check a look there. Pretty good source of protein there. You see that? For 3 tablespoons. Though it is 3 tablespoons, okay? You get about 10 grams, so there you go. Let's do a quick taste test. Here we go. That's what they look like. And yeah, they're just, they have like almost like an earthy taste to them, if you guys never tried them. And if you keep it in your mouth for a while, it just sort of tastes like a slightly bitter, but it's not horrible. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.